Alright guys, welcome back to the channel here. So I just wanted to give you a quick review of this little gadget here, a device that I bought for my 2016 F150. I've had this for 2 or 3 years now, I would say. I bought this truck without, I guess the only feature it didn't have was remote start. So it's an XLT, pretty well trimmed up in the Sport Edition, but did not have remote start. So it's kind of on the 2016, the years where they right before it kind of started becoming, I would say, standard on basically every model. But anyways, so I bought this little remote start gadget for about $100. It's the Start X brand, so this is a pretty popular pick on Amazon. There's several other models out there, brands. I chose this one just for the simple mechanism of it's plug and play into your OBD2 port, and then it is as simple as once you have it programmed, you just do the lock, unlock, lock, and then it will start your truck or your vehicle. So very simple plug and play. I'll walk you through quickly how you do it. I've had it programmed a couple times. It's very simple just when you need to unplug this, but so I'll walk you through how it works and then we'll give it a shot here. So OBD2 port, you can see, just push it in there, and then it has this other receptacle here. I think if you had to troubleshoot or still use your OBD2 port, you still can, I believe, which is what this is here for. I haven't had to. I just normally unplug it if I need to do any diagnostics, but I think maybe it leaves this option here, having the other side here, the male female. So that's step one. Just plug it into your OBD2 port by your gas pedal. Next we'll just put our key in here, put it into accessory mode, and you just leave that on for, count to about 15 seconds. I think it only needs 10 seconds, but just to give it a little bit of margin there. And that's really all you do, is so you leave your key on accessory or start without actually starting it for about 10 seconds or so. So we'll give it a little bit more time here. All right, that should be plenty of time. So we'll turn it off now, and then we'll step out here and see if it works. So I'll do lock, unlock, and then lock, and we'll see here. There you have it. So like I said, simple lock, unlock, lock, and then it starts right up. And then the same thing here, if you want to shut it off, say you started it but you decided to leave a little bit later in the day or something, you want to shut it off, you just do the same process, lock, unlock, lock, and it'll shut off. So I'll walk you through that. Lock, unlock, lock, and then it shuts off. So kind of a cool device there if you don't have remote start. This is for my 2016 F150. It's available for, looks like, several other makes and models as well. So if you're lacking a remote start, looking for an option here and your vehicle doesn't have it, highly recommend this Start X. Like I said, I found it on Amazon. I can post a link in the description. So thanks for watching.